Today we're gonna be looking at this insane profitable trading strategy that has generated a net profit of almost 1000%. We will delve deep into the strategy, explaining all the strategy rules and analyzing the backtest results. So, without wasting any time, let's dive into it. Hi traders, welcome back here on TradingGate where we discuss profitable trading strategies. Today's strategy will be based on the Heikin Ashi candles, which are a type of chart used in technical analysis to smooth out price action and make trend easier to identify. Unlike standard candlestick chart, Heikin Ashi candles calculate their open, close, high and low differently, averaging values to reduce market noise. This approach helps traders see overall trends more clearly by minimizing the impact of small fluctuations. First, we need to open the indicator session and type Heikin Ashi buy-sell signals and open this one by TradingGate. By switching the chart from candles to Heikin Ashi, as you can see we have the same representation. The only difference is that we have a delay of one candle. This helps us to avoid repainting signals. Along with the Heikin Ashi candles, we have green and red triangle, which basically represent buy and sell signals. They are also drawn here onto the chart. Green triangles are blue points, while red triangles are purple points. We have a buy signal whenever we have X consecutive green candles, whereas we have a sell signal whenever we have X consecutive red candles. By opening the indicator settings, we have green candles and red candles. We can set how many candles we want in a row. For example, here we have green candles 3 and red candles 3. Meaning that when we have at least 3 candles in a row, then we have a buy signal. Same is for sell signals. There is an option to switch to multiple signals, and as you can see now we have a lot of signals. The indicator continues to generate buy and sell signals until we have an opposite color. Here we have different buy signals because we have more than 3 candles in a row, and then we stop having buy signals whenever we have a red candles. The same is for sell signals. We have at least 3 red candles, the indicator generates sell signals until we have a green candle. This feature can be pretty useful if we have long trends that we want to follow. We could even set alerts based on buy and sell signals. In today's strategy, we will use this indicator as our main entry signals. Then, in order to confirm the trend, we're gonna use a trend confirmation based on the TEMA. The triple exponential moving average, taken from the moving averages pack by TradingGate Pro. We're gonna set a length of 60 and source close. We're gonna allow long position only when the price is above our moving average, whereas we're gonna allow short position only when the price is below our moving average. Third and last rule, which will be a volatility confirmation, we're gonna take the check-in oscillator from the volatility pack by TradingGate Pro. We're gonna leave the default settings, fast length 3 and slow length 10. As you can see from the extraction, the check-in above 0, meaning that the buying pressure is higher, while below 0 the selling pressure is higher. So we're gonna use this indicator exactly like this. Whenever the check-in is above the 0 line, the middle line, we're gonna open long position, while whenever it's below the 0 line, we're gonna open short position. And these are all the 3 rules in order to generate our entry signals. Now that we have defined all of this, we are ready to convert this trading idea into a real strategy, using our strategy builder, a powerful tool that allows us to combine any indicator available on TradingView to generate buy and sell signals. We can backtest, automate strategies, set up alerts, and do all this cool stuff with just 2 clicks. Let's start by configuring our main entry signals. First, we're gonna take the signals from the Heikin Ashi candle indicator. So we're gonna look up for the long signal here and the short signal from the Heikin Ashi just right here. Then we're gonna set price equal in both signal settings and we're good to go. Then we're gonna set our trend confirmation. We just need to turn on one signal for long and one for short. We select the moving average. And then for the long side, we need the price that is greater than the moving average, while for short side, we need the price that is lesser than the MA. Then we're gonna add the volatility confirmation based on the check-in, which is an oscillator. So we go in the oscillator section, we turn on one signal for long, one for short. We're gonna set the volatility pack for both signals. For the long side, we need the check-in that is above 0, while for the short side, we need the check-in that is below the 0 level. And we're good to go, guys. In less than 30 seconds, we have just built a full strategy based on 3 different rules. let's check how it actually works onto the chart. Here we have a long position. Because the Heikin Ashi candle generates a buy signal, the price is above the moving average, while the Heikin is above the zero level. We have confirmed that all our three rules are met at the same time. Whereas for short side, we have the sell signals from the Heikin Ashi candle indicator, price is below the moving average, and the Heikin is below the zero level. That's cool, guys. Now we just need to set our exit rules. The stop loss will be based on the stop loss ATR, the average true range indicator, with a length of 14, a multiplier of 3, while the take profit is based on the risk reward of 2. And after setting the stop loss and take profit, we are finally ready to check the backtest results. As always, I'm gonna take the backtest results based on our magic spreadsheets, which you can find in the Settings Bank Premium channel on Discord. These will contain a lot of backtest results based on different pairs and different timeframes. All these results are without any leverage applies and are based on Bybit exchange. We're gonna analyze the 10k WEN USDT based on 1 hour timeframe. We're gonna go long and short. Order size $10,000 with fixed amount, 2x leverage applied, the initial capital is $10,000 and 0.06% commission. As you can see, guys, we have an astonishing equity line, 957% net profit, something amazing, 92% total close trades, 48.9 win rate, 2.016 profit factor, 40.7% max drawdown, and 5.20 average trade. Net profit slash drawdown is 7.08, which is actually a really good value. At the first glance, when you see 40 max drawdown, you may think that it's a pretty high value, but then when you see this 7 net profit slash drawdown, you can easily change your mind. Of course, this max drawdown is not the lowest that we have ever seen, but is well compensated by this high net profit. So the higher the risk, the higher the profit that you can do. By looking at the other backtest details, we have a max win row of 7 and max loss row of 5, average risk reward of 2.11, and expectancy of 0.52, another amazing value. Average win 42.24%, average loss 20%, max win trade 106%, and max loss trade 69%, which is high as well. We are backtesting almost 1 year of charts. In over 10 months, we have just 2 losing months. By checking the buy and hold equity, there is no comparison between these two, because our strategy outperforms a lot this metric. We can check the distribution between the long and short profit, which is for the long side 685% net profit, while for short side we have heard 272%. The key point of this strategy is the high net profit, or better, the high net profit slash drawdown, the high expectancy 0.52, absolutely good, and that has generated profits both for long and short side, making this strategy less exposed to the market direction. Basically, whenever the market goes up or down, this strategy has generated always profits, which is actually a really good aspect. I want to remind you that you can get access to these and other ready-to-use strategies in the Settings Bank Premium channel on Discord. You can get access by joining on Patreon, along with granting access to all our premium indicators, including the strategy builders, the volatility pack, moving averages pack, and all the spreadsheets and backtest results. That's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys!